Wanna know how to change email ID on Facebook? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on the three straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Tap on your profile name. Scroll down. Tap on Edit Public Details. Scroll down. On the bottom, tap on Edit Your About Info. Scroll down. Tap on Edit next to Contact Info. Tap on Manage Contact Info. Tap on Add Email Address. Tap on this blank section and enter your new email ID that you want to keep and tap on Add Email. Tap on Confirm. Tap on Change Email Address below Recent Confirmation Code. Tap on the particular email address and Add Email. Tap on Confirm. You'll get a confirmation code. Go to your email address and check it. I'm gonna do it. You can do the same. So I am onto my email address and that's a notification from my Facebook itself on the top. Tap on it. Tap on Confirm below confirmation code. Or you can go back and then copy this particular confirmation code. Go back to the Facebook page. Enter confirmation code onto this blank section. Paste the particular confirmation code and tap on Confirm below. Just by doing it, you can see that you have successfully added a very new email ID. So to change it and make it primary one, all you have to do is go back and then tap on the particular email address that you want to and tap on Remove. Tap on Remove Email. So you have successfully changed the particular email ID. This is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.